Rob and Matt. We're starting this channel on a Glastar, a 97 Glastar we bought from a man that lost interest in an unopened box. So organized the whole kit, laid everything out as a fast build kit. So we were blessed with that for sure. A lot of stuff already came pre-made, corrosion resistance from the factory. These were top of the line kits in their day. All the control surface were already factory built, already corrosion free, prime, rudder, stabilizer.
That's horizontal. Huh?
Yeah, horizontal stabilizer, my bad. Flaps, ailerons.
You got the windshield down there.
Windshield, which we have to.
It's got a crack in it.
Got a crack in. We got to fix it. Exhaust, firewall.
Yep.
Got the extended tanks. So we can 50 gallons total.
I believe so. Yeah.
50 gallons total. All sealed, ready to go.
Came in an enclosed trailer if anybody wants to buy that.
Yeah, everything's organized from the factory. All your sections, your tail section, wing hardware, fuselage, all your gauges.
Yeah, let's roll back over here and show them what we've done so far.
Built the jig. Set the wing up. It took what? 4 hours, 5 hours to build the jig and get it plumbed true.
Yeah, that was the hardest part, getting it plumbing true.
After that, the wing's pretty good. Then they already came pre-marked. Pilot hole to number 40.
Hardest part was finding some straight 4x4s at Home Depot.
Yeah, that didn't
Notice the shims.
Shims. Keep all our stuff
Center supports.
Square.
Yeah.
Adjustable. There's a little screw right here. You can move it up and down fine tune. Clean coated. All the holes already came pre-drilled.
Yeah.
To match them.
We just broke our last 40 drill bits, so now we gotta wait till tomorrow till Amazon brings us another one.
Maybe 10 more.
Yeah.
By the end of the week.
Then we'll finish drilling out the leading edge, take that off, deburr it, put it back together. The next step of our instructions. Yep, then we'll start working on the skins, which are where over there.
Yep. That's another.
Laying there on that table in those boxes.
Another unopened box. They're all pre-drilled, pre-indexed.
Basically just sheet aluminum.
That's it. Part numbers.
So Rob, what's that yellow airplane over there?
The yellow airplane is my first ever airplane I ever had. A 1946 J3 Cub. 65 horse, no electrical system, grassroots flying.
The wood
Antique
prop
meets total modern.
Those two different airplanes, that's for sure.
Totally. This will teach you how to be a pilot. That one will get you there faster.
That's right.
This one flies about where that one stalls.
This one will teach you how to use your feet.
Exactly. Yeah, wood throttle. Nothing fancy. It's got a brand new 65 horse in it. It's got about 60 hours now. Maybe. She's clean. She's not a show winner, but she's better than most. She flies hands off, fly mount, the sun.
It's beautiful.
She's a solid flyer.
It's a fun airplane to fly.
Yeah, Matt. He flew about 12 hours from Georgia to Michigan.
A little bit more than that.
In one day. Was it more than 12 hours?
Maybe.
They like the dark.
All right, cool. We'll keep you guys updated on our progress. This is also a log for our build.